Hello guys, my name is Mugisha Emmanuel and welcome to this YouTube channel Art&Crafts. And in case you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe so that you don't miss any of these wonderful lessons on this very channel. Well, in the last video we learned how to make a necklace using beads. And in case you haven't yet watched the video, please go back and watch it so that you don't miss any of those skills, guys. So today is a special day because we have a guest in the house who will be teaching us how you can get better at your art and craft today. So guys, keep watching till the end so that you don't miss these wonderful lessons from her. So guys, let's start. So here we are, guys. We have our guest here. So, and I'm sure many people may be wondering who is she? Who is she? You know. So you may be a stranger right now, but right now she'll be introducing herself, of course. So can you please introduce yourself?
Hello guys, my name is Tracy Kelly. Yes, I'm a guest right now and I was invited by Art&Crafts. So I'm here and I hope you would like to hear everything you will be asking me and you will get to know everything you would like to know.
Alright, so guys, you've heard she's called Kelly. Yes, so Kelly, are you an artist or is there any type of art you do?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so can you tell us about your art, the art you do?
I do a lot of things.
Alright.
And though I'm not that famous or known to anyone, but I do so many things, and so I know people who know me and like my things and support me are there. I do beads, I do anklets, I do waist beads and also necklaces.
Wow, so guys, you've heard she does bead work. Yeah, she does bracelets and different items, guys. So tell us more about your beadwork. So how do you find it interesting?
I find my artwork interesting when people support my work.
That's right.
And okay, I become more confident and I gain that much power of doing that work. Because whenever you do the thing and you get someone telling you, do for me this, you get so many orders. Yeah. You get confidence, you gain confidence and you feel wow. You also feel proud. Yeah.
All right, so guys, hear that that's her word. She does beadwork, and I think when she gets motivated when she gets people supporting her, like buying the items from her and all that. So here we are, Kelly. So I know outside there are many creatives, many artists trying out different types of artwork. So my question was, so how do you think can that person, even those ones doing the same thing, beadwork, so how do you think can one get better at his or her art or craft? How do you think?
On my side, I think one can get better through doing practices. He or she keeps on doing the thing, because whenever you sit, you will not know other new types or other new fashions and styles for people may like. So you must keep on practicing. Yeah, that's how you will get better and more comfortable with your work.
Yeah, keep practicing, guys. So you just practice, or you also discover out some new things?
Yeah, whenever you practice, you discover some other new fashions, new types of beads, and
that's right.
So many things.
Yeah. So her point is you have to keep practicing the things you're doing. So practicing, you keep discovering out new things. Yeah, you keep discovering out new things. You make research, I think.
Yeah,
you make research.
When you see other people do the thing, you would like to try out. So that's practicing, and you keep knowing what customers may like, and you yourself by the way.
Yeah, so that's it, guys. So you have to keep doing research and know what do people want, what's trending. You know, it's like in the fashion world, what's trending. So you guys, you have to keep making research.
Keep that art.
Yeah, and when it comes to artwork, you have to keep practicing the same thing. So Kelly, so hope you guys have had the message, right? So here we are, Kelly. So what are your final remarks? What can you tell to the young creatives out there, the youth trying to do the artwork, the craft? So what are your final words? What can you tell them?
My final words for those people who are creative, please do not stop, work hard. Not all of us are known, but whenever you keep on doing the thing you're doing with all that love and passion, you might become someone or something. So don't put it down. Keep your dream, come out with new stuff, contact people, post your things even on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. So please don't give up. That's my final word, because I know when you're doing this, that's your opportunity. You will never know, someone will call you, please do for me this and this, and you will get even sponsors. You will never know.
That's right.
So that's my final word. Don't give up.
So hope you guys have heard. Don't give up. Keep doing what you're doing. So you just have to encourage yourself, motivate yourself in what you're doing, and I think you enjoy your journey. So keep doing what you're doing. You never know when God will open doors for you. So because the challenge is most people give up. They give up too soon. You find like someone started the journey, but after a few days he gives up.
Stops on the way. Because there are no customers,
there are no clients, not seeing the money coming in. All right, so that was wonderful today. Nice to hear from you. So there's some people who would want to reach out to you, like to get in touch with you. So how can they find you?
Find me on Instagram. My name, I use Tracy Kelly. Then WhatsApp me. My number 07091805885. Then Facebook, Tracy Kelly, and Twitter, the same name.
So you hope you guys have heard. So hope you're going to start texting her. So you can even text her and support her in what she does. I will be glad if I get some customers. She'll be so happy. So it's good to support each other. So guys, hope you've heard that, like what she does, and hope you've heard the word of encouragement. She's like, don't give up. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't give up on your craft. Keep doing improve, make research. So that's it. You make research. You keep practicing your craft, because they say practice makes perfect. So if you keep practicing, you get better at your craft. So that's it. That's the message of today. Thank you so much, Kelly. We're so glad to have you here, and we would wish to have you next time to this great channel. To meet you too. All right. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you've learned a lot from Kelly today. Sometimes you can even call her Kelly Beats, actually. Kelly Beats. So on Instagram? No, Instagram, Tracy Kelly. But Tracy Kelly, the Kelly Beats is the easiest name. It's the easiest. Or what's on Twitter? Are you on Twitter? Tracy Kelly on Twitter. So she's everywhere. She's a superstar, guys. So she's a superstar. So that's it. Thank you so much, Kelly, and thank you for having you today. And guys, remember, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss these wonderful moments. Remember, we shall keep bringing different people to this channel to speak to you guys, so that you learn from them. And remember, next time we're having a new lesson next time. So keep watching, keep on this channel, and remember, don't forget to subscribe. So see you next time. Ciao, ciao.